Hello everyone, this is our 23rd video tutorial under the GCSE topic revision guide called LCM lowest common multiple, HCF highest common factor and prime factors. Let's look at the theory behind this topic and get on to the exam style questions. Let's look at the theory behind this topic. Highest common factor, HCF. HCF of two numbers is the largest number that is a factor of both of them. Lowest common multiple, LCM. LCM of two numbers is the smallest number that is a multiple of both of them. Let's introduce this method. Sometimes for harder questions, we are using a Venn diagram to find the HCF and LCM. So find the HCF and LCM of 60 and 280. First of all, you need to write down all the prime factors of 60, which is 2, 2, 3, 5. All the prime factors of 280, which is 2, 2, 2, 5, 7. So the common numbers, common factors for the both numbers, say for an example 2 is here and 2 is here also. So you can write 1, 2 here. That is a common place. Another 2, another 2. So here, 2 here. So 5 here and a 5 here. So one common 5 here. So only 1, 3 left over, that is here, and 2 and 7 left over, that is here. So now have a look of this box. The HCF is the product of the numbers in the intersection. What is this intersection? Intersection means this common region. So the HCF is defined as the common region's numbers multiplication. So if you multiply 2, 2, 5, that is 20 is the HCF. The LCM is the product of all the numbers in the diagram. That means you need to multiply 3, 2, 2, 5, 2, 7. If you multiply everything together, you get the lowest common multiple. That is the theory behind this topic. Let's look at some questions. Before we go to the exam style question, this is the tutorial we are going to discuss in this video. You can download this tutorial from our website at www.smarttutor.co.uk/worksheet.php. Under the year 11 section, you can download this tutorial. Let's look at some exam style question. Question number 1, 720 as a product of its prime factors. So you can use the factor tree method, 720. So you can do, let's say, 2 times 360. So 2 is a prime number, so I circle it. So again, let's say 3 times 120. Then again, let's say 3 times 40. Then let's say 10 times 4. You can do anything until you get the prime factors. You can still go further. So 2 times 5. Then this is going to be 2 times 2. So the prime factors for 720 is, so one of the 2 here times another 2 here, another 2 here, another 2 here. Times 3 times 3 times 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 2s and 2 3s and 1 5. So that is the answer for the question number 1. Question number 2, 520. So 520 I'm going to write as a product of factor trees. So let's say easiest way to do is 52 times 10. Then 10 can be 2 times 5. Then 52, 2 times 26. 26 is going to be 2 times 13. So 520 equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 13. So 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 5, 40, 40 times 13 is 520. So that is the product of prime factors. If you like, you can make it as a 2 4 times, so 2 to the power 4 times 3 to the power 2 times 5. And this one, 2 to the power 3 times 5 times 13. That is the answer for the question number 2. Question number 3, work out the lowest common multiple for 60 and 96. So 60, the factors are 2 and 30, 2 and 15, and 3 and 5. So 5, 3, 2, 2. 96, the factors are 2 and 48, and 2 and 24, 2 and 12, 2 and 6, 2 and 3. So these are the prime factors for 60 and 96. If you like to do as a Venn diagram method, so Venn diagram method means you need to draw the two circles for 60. 60 is this circle and 96 is this circle. Common numbers are 2 and 2, so one of the two inside here, and another 2, and 3 is going to be go here, and one of the 3 is going to be go in the middle. So leftover 5 is going to be in the 60, and leftover 3 2's are going to be on the right hand side. The question is actually lowest common multiple. So lowest common multiple means you need to times all the numbers in the diagram. So 5 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. So this is going to be 60. From here to here is 60. 60 times 8 is 480. So the lowest common multiple is 480. Same number, highest common factor. So highest common factor, you can easily do that. That is in the intersection section. So intersection section is the middle section. 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So the 12 is the answer for the HCF. Question number 5. Express 24 and 108 as the product of powers of its prime factors. So 24 is going to be 2 and 12, 2 and 6, 2 and 3. So everything is prime factors. So you can write it as 24 equal 2 3's and 3's. 108 is going to be 254 and 227 and 39 and 33. So 3 3's and 2 2's. So that is the answer for 108 equal 2 2's and 3 3's. Find the highest common factor of 24 and 108. So the highest common factor means the numbers coming in the middle intersection section. So two 2's are going to be in the intersection and one of the 3 is going to be in the intersection. So two 2's and one 2 is going to be, this is 24 circle and this is 108. For the 108, two 2's in the middle, one of the 3 and two 3's are going to be here. So the HCF is going to be 2 times 2 times 3, which is 12. Question number 6. Find the lowest common multiple for 24 and 36. So 24, I can write the prime factors 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So you can draw the factor tree and you can write 36 is going to be 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So that is the factors for 36. So if you think about the Venn diagram method, the one circle is for 24, the other circle is for 36. The common number, one of the two and another 3 can be the common. 1 2 left over here and 1 3 left over here. Lowest common multiple means multiply all the numbers inside the circles. So 2 2 2 3 and 3. So 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8, 8 times 9 is 72. That is the answer for the question number 6. Question number 7. The highest common factor of two numbers is 3. So the two numbers we don't know. I'm going to do this question with the Venn diagram method. Very easy. We don't know what is this number. We don't know what is this number. But highest common factor of two numbers is 3. So highest common factor has to be in the middle, right? And the lowest common multiple is 45. So lowest common multiply means this number times the middle number times this number, all the products multiplied together is 45. I already know the middle number is 3. So if we divide the 45 by 3, which is 15. So what is that 15 means? These two numbers multiply to get 15. So I have only one choice, 3 and 5. So this number is going to be 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 5 is 15. So the numbers, the two numbers which satisfy the above condition, 9 and 15. Question number 8. The highest common factor, so again I'm going to use the same Venn diagram method. Highest common factor is going to be in the 15 in the middle. So basically if you want, you can do the highest common factor as a 3 times 5. So highest common factor 15 means 15's factors is 5 times 3. Those two numbers are going to be in the middle. The lowest common multiple of two numbers, so the lowest common multiple, this times this times this. So something times 3 times 5 times something equal 90. So the easiest way to do is 3 times 5 15, 90 divided by 15, which is 6. 6, only one option, 2 and 3. So 2 here, 3 here. You can put other way around, 3 and 2. So this number is going to be 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 5 is 30. This number is 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 5 is 45. They already give a clue. The one of the number is 30, the other number is 45. That is the answer for the question number 8. Find the highest common factor for 30, 42 and 54. So 30, 42 and 54. So first of all, I need to find out the prime factors for all three numbers. So I'm going to do 2 times 3 times 5 is the prime factors for 30. and 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 7 is 42. So 2 times 3 times 3 times 3, 2 times 27 is 54. So the highest common factor is the common number is in all the factors. So 2, 2, 2. So the highest common factor, one of the two. 3, 3, 3, one of the three. Other than that, nothing is common. So the answer is 3 times 2 is 6. Question number 10. Lucy checks her phone every 10 minutes to see if her friend Mary is available to chat. Mary checks hers every 8 minutes. So 10 minutes for Lucy, 8 minutes for Mary. They both decide to check at 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock they check both at same time. What is the first time after this that they both checking? So the lowest common multiple of 10 and 8. The way to do is 10 you can do 2 times 5 and 8 is going to be 2 times 2 times 2. If you think about the Venn diagram method, only one of the two is in the common and 5 here and 2 2's are here. So the lowest common multiple is multiply everything together, 5 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 40. So 40 is the minutes is the answer because the numbers are given in minutes. So 9 o'clock is the first start time. They started both at the same time they checked. The next same time they check is 9 o'clock plus 40 minutes, which is 9:40 a.m. That is the answer for the question number 10. Question number 11. Two hands move around a dial. The faster hands move around 24 seconds and the slower hands in 30 seconds. So if the two hands start together at the top of the dial, how many seconds does it take before they are next together at the top? So 24, the factors are 2 times 2, 2 times 3, and 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. So the lowest common multiple is going to be 2. So if you think about the Venn diagram, always common number is 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 means 2 2's here and 5 here. So the lowest common multiple is 2, 2, 2, 3 and 5. So 8 times 15 is 120. So 120 has to be in seconds. So read the question again. How many seconds does it take before they are next together at the top? So after 120, after, you can write after 120 seconds. Question number 10, sorry, page number 10. So question number 12. Find the highest common factor for three numbers. So if we have three numbers, 147, 42 and 252. So we need to find out the prime factors for this one. 147, I think 7 times 21. So 7 times 3 times again. 7 times 7 is 49 times 3 is 147. That is correct. 7 times 6, 7 times 2 times 3. Now 252, I need to do that in a prime factor method. 2, 126 and 263 and this one 321, 37. So 2, 2, 3, 3 times 7. So the highest common factor, the number goes in all three numbers. So 7, 7, and you have a common number 7 here. So for all the three 7s, you put only one common number. Then 3, 3, 3, then you have the 3. So 7 times 3 is 21 is the answer for question number 12. Question number 13. The highest common factor for 140, so let me draw the two circles. The highest common factor for 140 and x is a number is 20. So 20 means, I put it here, but 20 made out of 2, 2 and 5. The lowest common multiple of 140 and x is 420. So 420 divided by 20, which is going to be 21. 21 you can split into 3 and 7. So 3 here, 7 here. So what is the multiple? So I wanted to double check again. 3 times this is 20, 60. So this is going to be 7 and this is going to be my 3. So if I multiply everything here, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 5 20, 20 times 7 is 140 is coming. This side 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 5 is 20, 20 times 3 is 60. So the x is 2, 2, 5, 3, 60. So the answer for the question number 13 is 60. That is the end of the tutorial. I hope you like the video. If you do like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch all the upcoming videos. Thank you very much.